Peeps, welcome back to Andin's TV here in Andin's Kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, up, and in. And to all my OGs to Andin's TV, up, and stand in. Today, we've got a vibrant and healthy recipe for you. Spinach and berry salad. If you are looking for something fresh, nutritious, and bursting with flavor, this salad is perfect. Stick around because we are going to show you how to whip this up in no time, and we will even share a few tips on how to make your salad irresistible. So let's get started. So peeps, right here we have some slivered almonds. We're gonna just toast it a little so we can get it nice and toasty.
Love God family, this is our lovely goat cheese with sheep and cows. So it's cow, sheep and goat cheese. Looks beautiful.
So our slivered almonds are nicely toasted. We toast them about 15 minutes, give or take, at temperature 340.
Green leafy vegetables. That's gonna be dinner tonight. So here's our spinach. Love God family, I'm gonna give them some cut. As I said, you cut and move your hands backwards. That's the proper way to use your knife. You don't want to lose your fingers. There you have it, nicely rough chop, bite size. Peeps, dressing for our berry salad will be 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, tablespoon of coconut oil. Recipe says olive oil, but I am using coconut oil. Teaspoon each of salt and pepper. My preferably salt is Celtic salt, and 4 tablespoons of honey. We're gonna blend this together. This salad, very easy to make, and we should always have some salad with our meal.
Peeps, look at the color of this salad dressing. Looks very nice, not too thick. Man, I can just imagine when you drizzle that over that berry salad, how it's gonna taste.
Burst of flavors in the mouth. So for our lovely berry salad, we're starting off with some rough chopped spinach, our dressing, some slivered toasted almond, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and sunberries, and our goat, sheep, and cow cheese. So in this bowl over here, we are gonna start with our spinach. We're gonna start with our spinach. This is very easy, not hard to do. And All our berries is just gonna be combined. That's our raspberries, blueberries, our sunberries, and our strawberries. That's all our berries. And I'm gonna lightly combine so you have a nice look. Anywhere you take it, you have a nice color on the side of the bowl, in the bowl. However you see it, you're gonna see a burst of colors and flavors. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna start by adding in my cheese. And I'm also gonna toss, lightly toss. And this one is served right away. Beautiful. Beautiful. Top with the slivered almonds. Beautiful. I'm gonna make you a nice bowl. And then I'm gonna drizzle my dressing. Beautiful. Here comes the dressing. Very nice. Very yummy. Love God family, as I said, every good chef need to eat what they prepare. So bite together. Very tasty. A very good burst of flavors in your mouth. Very good. Another bite. Thank you for watching.
Peeps, and there you have it, a fresh and delicious spinach and berry salad that's perfect for any occasion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our tasty and healthy recipes. Also, drop a comment below and let us know your favorite salad toppings. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Andins TV, up, and out. Boom.